I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take extreme close-up pictures or macro photos on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step one is to open up your camera app, and it's most of the time going to open up default in the Photos app, but if you need to, you can use this slider on the bottom to get yourself to Photos. Now let's pick something really small to take a macro. So you have 3 lenses, typically if you have a pro phone, sometimes you don't, but ideally you're going to be in either the 1x mode or the 0.5x mode. And the 0.5x you can get much closer. However, the 1x mode is going to have the actual macro photography setting. As you can see here, a little flower popped up in a little circle icon. Tap that and you can see the difference of this macro mode, enabling and disabling on its own. It uses a different lens, but when you see this yellow flower icon, that means that you are in macro mode and you get really close to items and it will still be very clear. Typical phones, when you don't have this macro mode, if I unselect this yellow flower, then it will look like that. It'll be very blurry and cameras have a difficult time with deciphering between these close objects. So make sure your yellow flower mode is enabled. If not, you can just tap on the item here and then you'll see a flower that's disabled. Tap that and your macro mode is enabled.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.